In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch tabs in Brave and customized tab cycling shortcuts. If you often juggle multiple tabs, knowing the quickest ways to switch between them can save you a lot of time. The most straightforward keyboard shortcut is to press Control and Tab together to move to the next tab to the right. If you want to go in the opposite direction, hold Shift as well, so it's Control, Shift, and Tab. This is great when you're moving linearly across your tab bar and want a simple, reliable motion. Another option that many people like is Control with Page Up or Page Down. Control plus Page Up moves you one tab to the left, and Control plus Page Down moves you one tab to the right. Depending on your keyboard, these keys might be labeled PGUP and PGDN. If you prefer dedicated navigation keys, this method can feel very natural, especially on full-size keyboards. Of course, you can always use your mouse. Just click the tab you want in the tab strip at the top of the window. This is perfect when you can see exactly where you want to go or when you're not actively typing. Keep an eye on which tab is highlighted, as the active tab is typically visually distinct, making it easier to spot. Now, if you frequently bounce between just a couple of tabs, you might prefer switching based on the most recently used order instead of left to right. Brave lets you customize this behavior. In the address bar, type Brave/settings for system/shortcuts and press Enter. This opens Brave's keyboard shortcut settings. Look for the tab cycling options. Here you can adjust how Control plus Tab behaves and turn on most recently used or MRU tab cycling. MRU means that when you press the shortcut, Brave jumps to the last tab you viewed, then the one before that, and so on, similar to how many operating systems handle app switching. It's ideal if you're comparing two pages or quickly hopping back and forth during research. While you're in the shortcuts page, you can also customize the keys assigned to tab navigation so they match your preferences. Choose combinations that don't conflict with other shortcuts you use often. After making changes, test them right away in a few open tabs to make sure everything feels smooth and intuitive. To recap, Control plus Tab moves forward, add Shift to move backward, Control plus Page Up and Page Down navigate left and right, clicking works anytime, and Brave's settings let you tailor tab switching with MRU for faster back and forth work. With these options, you can pick the method that fits your workflow and move through tabs effortlessly.